Excel scatter plot with multiple series from one table. Say I have a table as follows. Label X, Y, A, 1, 1, B, 2, 2, B, 3, 2, A, 4, 3, C, 5, 4, A, 4, 3, C, 2, 1 vertical bar. How can I make this into an Excel scatter plot with 3 series, A, B, C, without manually selecting the correct rows manually for each series, like this answer? This table would be this chart. Sorting won't help, as I want to do this relatively dynamically with new data.
Easier way, just add column headers A, B, C and D1 colon F1. And D2 under this formula, equals if $A2 equals $1, $C2, nah, and fill it down and write as needed. Select B1 colon B8, hold Ctrl while selecting D1 colon F8 so both areas are selected, and insert a scatter plot.
Excel won't dynamically add new series, so I'm going to assume while the data can change, the names and number of series won't. What I would recommend is transforming the data in a dynamic way that is easier to place a spot for each series by itself. In column D put. This will give values such as B3 for the third element of the B series. Now that you have sequential labels for all elements of all series, you can do lookups. In a new sheet put. And just add 3 columns just like that for each of your series. So it'll find which row the series named A has its first entry, the one you labeled A1, and then in column C it'll look up the X value, and in column D it'll look up the Y value. Then create a series A on your graph with X coordinates from column C and Y coordinates from column D, and as your underlining data gets more rows or rows change which series they are in, the graph will automatically update.
If you want a sport picture, be a situation to sushi them.